How to remove camera from lock screen on iPhone. So if you want to remove this particular camera icon from your iPhone lock screen so that you'll not be able to open the camera app from the lock screen on your iPhone by swiping left, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove camera from lock screen on iPhone, your iPhone must be running the latest iOS 18. So with this, you can seamlessly remove the camera icon from your iPhone lock screen. Otherwise, you need to devise another approach for this to work. But here, we'll be considering on iOS 18. So just press the side button on your iPhone. Then unlock your iPhone with your Face ID. Once your iPhone is unlocked with Face ID, press and hold the iPhone screen. Then go ahead and click on Customize. Tap lock screen. Then on the lock screen page, locate the camera icon at the bottom right and then remove it. Now once you remove it, go ahead and click on the done button at top right. Now click on your lock screen again, then exit the page. Now when next your iPhone screen is locked, just like this, then you see that the camera icon is no longer visible. So you've successfully removed the camera icon from your iPhone lock screen. And you can also remove the flashlight icon, follow the same approach on your iPhone lock screen. So that is basically how to remove camera from lock screen on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.